Isang MVP. Ito yung mga pirada ni bumbumbun ng sir.
Babad sila.
Vamos a incoming. It's Balma. Behind the arc. It's Sias Panamega. It's Sarap. It's Hamida. It's Bouncer Pavasa. It's Girl. Second person about. 30 pounds. Time management play lang po. Tuloy na ba? Tuloy.
Social dito, ano ating panenda, ano. Oh, back to the place. Dito na lang. Ano. Oh. Correct. Nagagabo ka na.
Stop. Farga. Catch it. Put it.
4:30.
It's Baraka. Next game mga dito. Intercolor. Baraka 3 points. PNR versus Gitna. It's Baraka. It's Pascal. It's second. It's Avila. Baraka. It's second. Opposition score 28 against 30. 30 until Nick versus 28. It's Fabrica. It's Pascual. It's Peter. It's Palma. Eloy, reverse. It's still Peter. It's Fabrica. Fabrica fires. In and out. It's Batay. To Fabrica. To Pascual.
Yes!
Management na po. Time remaining, 6:20.
Ang dami nang nagdadaan ng date.
Tawasan ko dadaan. Pag pinabasag ko, pag tinaas
Sige
ko,
ba?
paano sa ko dadaan? Parang kaya.
It's Palma. It's Tama. It's 7 Thunder shot clock. It's Diaz. But it's a double dribble. Muntik lang wala. It's Barca. It's Palma. Pastor Mr. Aguila. Keset Patel.
Dalawa na lang.
It's Fabrica. It's a paper. Time management rin na po.
Jepul!
At magandang gabi sa atin lahat at sa lahat po ng mga tutulong mo. Silver Eloy! Ito mo namin si Joyman. It's good for Joy, Mr. Eloy!
All.
Deadlock, mga kaibigan, at 34. And it's the same ball.
Yes.
Pwede, lalaki ka.
Yung taga ni Ted.
Ano nanalo sila? Kung ano?
Oo.
Kung
It's Bagasa. Balik sa'yo.
wala nang
It's
natalo.
Tama. There's a reason pang
Mga tamad tumalo.
Tia, it's your. It's your place. First ikaw. Tuloy na po. Tuloy lang po. At marahan lang po tayo. Magpapatakbo. Lama. First call.
Dito lang.
It's never. Remaining time. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Last draw. It's never. It's Eloy.
Ay!
And Cowboy.
Ako na, agul-agul mo.
Terminal 11. Pakak Iker. First. Second team foul. Remaining time. Exactly 5 minutes. Form of VCR. But it's never.
Ay!
It's a Red Bull.
Talong kayo, talon!
Taling na ba ito tayo?
Box out pala.
Ano na lang kung may
Yun ba yung ibig sabihin? Talon basta.
It's Pakak.
Mga Lebron!
4 and 15 mga kaibigan.
Shoot!
Para next step. Kanang kami 30. Tara.
Oh, ay doon pati sa kabila.
Nakashoot pa doon?
It's Eloy.
Oo.
Bagasa. It's Philip.
Pasa mo yan! Pasa mo!
Ay! Ay!
Yan ang sinasabi ko, isabi na ipasa eh.
It's Pascual.
Ay!
Ay!
It's Rosa. Pascual na sa Palma. It's good.
Hindi ko pa sinot eh!
kapag may
It's the third.
Pasok ka pangit.
Good job!
15 seconds on your shot clock.
Labas kayo dyan!
Oh, it's a loose communication. Time punishment tayo na po. Loose communication between Tom and Pascual. Remaining time, 3 and 15. So this is right, Pascual out. Eramak in.
Ang makakalis dito, isang buhay lang.
It's Bangsa. It's Aguila. It's Eloy, but... Ano wala?
Set! Ah, diretso!
Ano ba ito?
Ay, sus ko, pinasa pa ni pangit.
In and out.
Yan, set.
It's Fabrica. In and out. And the number 2, the white ball. 38 against 36 to 23 by the team name. Quality company, remaining time, 3 and 20 seconds for the third quarter.
Ganda ka na nilamang nyo kanina.
Labo, 30 ano yun? 36, 38. Nakaharang kasi yung batang yun eh.
Sabi ng ano, judge.
Okay, that's back to the body and back to the action. And the DBM big take off. Third passion. Third ball. 38 to 36 to 28 by the team lead.
Depensa!
It's Eloy, it's Palma. Too strong, it's Tarok.
Baba! Bilis!
High go, coming from up.
Yeah!
It's Diaz. Pass center.
Yes, ang galing.
Reverse shot.
Galing ng pasahan.
Uy, ayaw, basag.
Baba agad kayo, baba.
It's open.
Tira.
Pantay. It's good.
Ang galing.
Baba.
Umaarap ka na. Ang tinglit mga kaibigan. It's Aguila. Short. It's rain. Hardball. Time management, tuloy-tuloy lang po. At pagkurahan lang po tayo. Salamat po. Remain time. 27 driving measure. 42 to 36. In 4 of the team.
Baba.
It's Taro. Setting the play. Pass by 2 men. 15 seconds under that clock.
Ay! Shoot!
Wala na.
It's Dama. Dama na kanya.
Galing.
Technical
Agila.
on Aguila.
Agila. Uuwi na nga ako.
May isa pa po kayo.
Ay, magtanong ka pa.
Ang technical.
Court pa may nagdalawa kayo. Pareho wala niya.
Napayahan ng tira.
Remaining time, 150. Last throw, Taro. It's not a win. Double passagan goes to the white ball.
Ang time, 150 na lang. 150 na, pare.
Official score, 44 to 6, mga kaibigan.
Taro, 150 na lang, ha?
Remaining time, 1 minute and 50 seconds for the first quarter. Ngayon, management, tuloy na po. Sa final ng PBA. Palma, but this round, it's CS for the round.
Ay, mali!
Fabrica! It's Palma!
Sko na ba naman yan?
Pass to Eloy! And then the whistle, and upon Mr. Diaz, it's your second personal foul. 30 foul, remaining time, 1 minute and 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Good.
It's Lama! Short! Lama again! David! It's Lama again! Fake first! And our third? Diaz again, it's your
3 seconds na ba naman yan?
going for penalty. Remaining time, 1 20. First foul, it's good. Last throw. It's good. Complete the point.
Sko.
Babasa. Babasa, 3 points. It's Elma. Exactly 1 minute. It's Sana. 50 seconds. Ayun, Brazil. 50 seconds na ulitin. It's ready. Ready for you. 43 seconds. 40, 43. 1.3, wala minute. Sana. Remaining time, 43 seconds. 41, 43, mga kaibigan.
43, pare. 43. Sagada na yung mama. Sagada na.
Next game, Intercolor. PNR versus Tabina. Okay, let's back to the rugby and back to the action and back here at the BMT. Hey, that's one. Your passion, our cause, is brought to you by our city administrator. 10 remaining, 43 seconds. Official score, 44-43. 1.3 by the team list. It's the last 8 running. Pass to Mr. Habiga. Enter the legal and foul.
Aray ko.
Already, sir. Third personal foul. Second, team foul. Remaining time, 40 seconds. Pinapati ko nga pala, kita ng bilig.
Shoot!
Ahit man, ng yaman. Yes, may habiga. Main na naman daw eh, pero tackers. Pinagdal ko na tackers too. 47 na ako.
Walang foul, wala, huwag kayo pa-foul.
35 seconds.
Baba.
30 seconds.
Wala pa-foul.
Sabi ko, return.
Oh.
Ted, bola!
25 seconds. But it's at the moment by alignment. 21 seconds na kaibigan.
Ilan? Oh, harap lang, wala
20
pa-foul.
seconds.
Ayun, bola! Dali!
Baba.
Dali! Ted!
Diretso, Ted.
Shoot! Yus! Ay!
Ay, naku po. Shoot!
15 seconds.
10 seconds na lang yan, pare. Wala pa-foul, lalim, suporta.
10
Dali.
seconds.
5! Ah!
Yan!
Yan! Dali! Dali, Ted! Ay!
Ay, naku.
5.
Wala!
It's a basket count. 3 points by Mr. Babasa. Official score.
Score!
48 against 46. 2.8 by the
Uy, kayo laging lamang ha. Baka naman pagkatapos na malamangan kayo. Laging kayo ang lamang ha.
Ano yung 46, 48?
Dalawa lang. Baka mamaya.